Yo, we got the Pelicans versus Kings. Should be a decent game. This is game 6 out of 8 today. The Kings are on a roll, especially when Fox has been in there. He has looked amazing. Pelicans have been playing much better as of late too, looking like, you know, the team I think they could be. Obviously, they're still without CJ McCollum. We'll see when he returns, man. I'm hoping the best for him. I'm not sure when he's going to return, but we'll see what happens. But they do need him, so hopefully he can be able to return at some point. So yeah, this box, the bonus duo, has been going crazy, especially this man number 5. Been looking unbelievable. So let's see, man. Let's see how this one goes. Should be a solid one. Okay. Matchup problem. Box wide open. Wrong man to leave wide open. There. Okay.
Up against Harrison Barnes, but a good take just the same.
Yeah, should be a solid game. Pelicans have been on this little win streak, so they've been doing their thing. They need to keep it pushing. They have good potential, man.
Doing a good job defensively.
That's the Valley.
They're going straight down low to Sabonis, and he's directing
from
that spot.
Monk.
A deep three.
Good three.
That's what he's done well. But don't throw it away. An unforced error almost. Mid-range. Najee gets the roll. Pels needed it after 2 years.
What is that?
I was with JaVale his rookie year.
In Washington.
Who said something?
And they go
McGee! Oh, okay, I brought it back. There he is. This season debut. That's good. They need Trey Murphy back. Yeah. 16-2 run for the Kings. Damn. That's why Malik Monk comes in the ball game, man. He is a baller. He is a baller, man. Hey, Hawkins. Whoa, McGee! Been a good pickup, man.
Picked up by Barnes. They advance it in a hurry. And they want to take a lot of threes like that. Malik Monk. Zion now in double figures with 10. Corner three. Harrison Barnes.
If you're Zion, your hand though.
Right. Mine. That's all mine.
Zion.
Finger rolls it home. Najee's got Dyson running on the baseline. Waited for Zion. And he'll get there again.
I tell you what, he is putting them in the torture chamber.
And 10 of the 14 coming here in the second 12. Harrison Barnes.
Yeah.
But he's filling it up. You got issues.
They go to zone. Smart move by Mike Brown.
A little bit too much, but a save. Huge save.
You got to crack this zone. You got to crack this zone. You got to get to the weak spot of this zone. Right there.
There you go.
Alley. Alley.
Right off the shin of the trailer. Notch shares it.
Herb.
Wide open. Corner three.
Jones. Hey, got a close one, it seems like, at least so far.
He's got an early post up right here for Z.
Not expected.
Up against Harrison Barnes.
Zion. He's too fucking strong, man. This man has stayed healthy, and he has proven how good he is, man. And he got to stay healthy the rest of the season and keep doing his thing, man. Solid player for her.
When you have both of these guys playing at a high level like this, Joe, it's tough.
Sabonis, once he gets there. Cody accounting for Sabonis and Brandon. Gang rebounding.
It's a double.
You got it. Zion.
Do I need to say this again? Look how guys are fighting through these screens.
Making him work deep at the clock. Sabonis on his strong side.
Heard it.
Not an easy. Another. He leads the league in deflections. Sabonis trying to
Bonus.
Zion takes it away and continues the play. What a grab.
Yep.
That Zion has to become more of a facilitator.
Now Herb on the run. Brandon thinking
Ingram.
about three.
Get him over the top. Look at Zion over the top.
And can he hang on? Herb collects it. Good first step, but shares it. Brandon.
Ingram.
Three.
That's what I mean.
Pels are 6 of 11 on their threes. 8 of 31 now. Make it 8 of 32, 25%.
Ingram.
Three ball.
Ingram.
We see two together.
They're looking for each other. Sabonis shares it. Has a clean look. And he gets it this time. Jordan Hawkins. Good passing inside. Outside, the hot hand. It continues. They recognize that.
The way B.I.'s playing right now, he's going to free up somebody.
Jose on a ball fake. And the one. His first bucket of the season.
Damn, they up 30. Just like that, I wasn't even looking down at the score. They're on a major run this half. What the hell? Kings, what's going on? Yo, what just happened? I'm about to get out of here. Gotta make some Monday Night Football.
Yes, by the way, he can shoot.
Alvarado's back. Yo, I'm out of here. Fuck this. It's a 30-point game. What the hell happened, Kings? Pelicans looking impressive, man.